Hello traders, this is my day 9 in the simulator. Today was a green day. I made $200 and I am overall very happy with today's trading because I took only 27 tickets, and for the most part I really understood what I was doing, what were my entries, exits. I had more patience, and yeah, this reflects in the P&L. So we're going to review all the trades. I'm gonna go one by one since I did only 27. So the first trade I took was on CNV. I took this from the scanner of Test Trader right here in tools scanner, and I have some scanners for gap ups and gap down. So I think somewhere it was in one of these scanners. So it was actually, I was scared at the first time, because if we go to the 1 minute chart, so I was all right, I was taking a opening range breakdown. So we see right here, I saw this first 5 minutes, and I see, okay, this goes here. The bears have won the battle a little bit, even though this is a doji candle. It shows more rejection in the for the upside. So I see that the sellers were pushing this down, and then in this candle I saw it couldn't go up the height of this candle, and then when the price started to go below this close, I entered the trade. But this 5 minutes, the price was going up, going down, going up. So I was a little bit scared because the spread was also a bit high at that time, was around 10 cents. So I said to myself, if the price goes above this wick, that's gonna be my stop loss. But so the price finally break, and I took profits actually in the low of the pre-market. That was my point of taking profits. So I saw my P&L, and I was up like $100. So, and also the price was going in the low of the pre-market, so I took most of the profit there. And I move on to another trade because the spread here was a little bit big, so I didn't want to trade it more. Then I went to MU at 9:45. Yeah. So I took a short here in MU. Yeah, I was going for an opening range breakdown. So as soon as the price started to go below this candle, I took that. But then here in the first minute candle, in the first minute charts, yeah, right here I don't know, I didn't had any stop loss. I just said, okay, if the price move up and it approaches my entry point, I'm gonna go out, because I was already $100 up, so I didn't want to give profit back, and well, I lost $4 here. And then I went to Verizon. Yeah, and I took a reversal here. So this was actually, I had a really good entry, because here in the first minute chart I saw this level here, and then I saw kind of a double bottom here. So this was an excellent entry. Then I took some profits right here, and then the price I added more on the pullback right here, and then I sold in this moving average, and then I was hoping to go to the VWAP. I wasn't patient enough. I had a good P&L, so I exit the rest of the position here of the long. So at that moment I was almost like $300 up, but I kept trading. I should have, if I stopped right there, I mean $300, it's a good profit for me in the simulator, because I want to be consistent in the simulator or when I go live. So from $300 to $500, this is like a good day, and I should stop when I get to that point. So I went back to EMU. I took another in EMU. Let's see, at 10:04, I think it was right here, 10:04. Yeah, probably right here. At 50, I took a long there. Why did I took a long there? All right, yeah, I saw this. I mean, this big wick. This shows it shows that the buyers were pushing the price up. So I added in this pullback next to this, near to this level, and then I sold here in the VWAP. So that was a bit of profit there, because I was taking small shares, because once I reached like $300 in my P&L, I was taking like test trades with short share sizes. Then I went back to Verizon at 10:15. Let's see, 10:15. Yeah, at 10:15. Yeah, at Verizon I took a short here. Why did I take a short here? Because yeah, the previous candle was red, and I said to myself, this looks like a false VWAP breakout. So once the price approached the VWAP in this moment, I say, okay, I'm gonna wait more for the pullback, but I was not patient, and I took the short here, but immediately the price just went up. So this was not a false breakout, but yeah, my stop loss was around the VWAP, so I exit there, and I lost like $50. Then I went to GD at 10:18, right here. This was a long trade. So I was waiting for this pullback to the VWAP, couldn't nailed it, but my entry was here, and my stop loss was gonna be the VWAP. So the price actually went down, so I had to exit, and I lost like $16. So that was a small loss. Then I took WHR. This was the biggest loss. Unfortunately, it is squeezed really bad. So at 10:21, I saw Andrew call this trade for a reversal, so I decided to take it. I know this dumped really bad on Andrew as well. So okay. So right here at 10:21, let me see the. Yeah, it was at some point. I mean, this candle, 5-minute candle, couldn't make a lower low, and then this candle, this 5 minutes was doing very well. Actually, I thought this was going to go up, so that's why I took the reversal. I think Andrew didn't know why he took it, but for me, this drop was a little bit extended. Then this price was going horizontal, so. Yeah, so I thought that was an opportunity to take a reversal, but then the price just in 1-2 seconds just went all the way back down. So I had to cover as quick as possible, and yeah, this was my loss, $63 only. But then I took another reversal here, because I said, okay, this candlestick, then This 5 minutes couldn't make a lower low. So I think this was a good entry point right here for a reversal. But then the price went down. I say, okay, when the price goes below this level, I'm gonna exit, and I exit there. So I also saw the 1 day chart, and there was actually, I mean, this level here from 129, this was actually like a support, so that's why I also took the reversal there. But here is at 123. There is another low at that point, but I think this 129 should have acted as support, but it didn't. So yeah, now the price is at, it's holding at that level. So maybe that level is going to be the, yeah, it actually went all the way. So this point right here could have been another good point to take the reversal, but yeah, I mean, look at this. It went from 128 to 130. All right, so I lost some money there. Then I was just like, I wanted to make back this 300, so I took more trades in JD. I took one at 1029. Yeah, right here I took a short trade. Why did I took a short trade there? 129. Yeah, because I mean, I saw this false breakout. This candle showed the sellers were pushing the price down. Then I wanted to enter here in this moving average, but I couldn't. So I entered here, and this was a good short. I covered some in this, around this level, and yeah, I covered some on the low of the pre-market. Yeah, so I made like $50 there. Then I lost more money in WHR, trying to make another another reversal at 1043. Yeah, this was at, I took 100 shares here, and as soon as the price went below this, I covered, so I exit there and I lost $30. But yeah, I mean, it was all the time I tried to make a reversal, I was a couple of, well, I was like a $1 away, because for me this is the real reversal right here at 128. So let's see if this correlates with some level. Yeah, exactly to this level. So maybe I should have marked my level right here in this drop, because I don't think that the price is gonna drop like 5 cents more. So this should have been my level, and as we can see in the 5 minutes, it just touched it like at the point here, make a double bottom here. So this was the opportunity to take the reversal from 128, take profits here, and maybe this is going to go to the VWAP, take the rest of the profits there. So yeah, next time I should have marked my levels better. And well, this was a green day, so this is it for today. I hope tomorrow I will take I will limit my tickets to 30 at max, so I understand more what I'm doing. I'm more patient with my trades, and I prevent over trading. Okay, bye bye.